marriage, Netflix, romantic gestures, gifts, travel, car maintenance, Amazon Prime, professional haircuts and styling, luxury grocery items, smoking, lottery tickets, living solo, new clothes, gym membership, concerts, personal web domain, sports events, going out to movies, manicures, eating out, going out for coffee.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.